Landlords in Ontario, if your tenant has been persistently paying rent late or has stayed beyond their lease without consent, the N8 notice is likely going to be your go-to tool. The most common reason landlords file an N8 is for persistent late payments. So if your tenant has a pattern of paying rent late, even if they eventually catch up, you can serve an N8. Now, there's no written in stone definition of what late rent payments mean. However, the Landlord Tenant Board has taken a broad view on what late rent payments mean. Typically, if a tenant has paid rent late over a week late and over the span of, let's say, a year, then that increases the chances of success on your N8 notice. It's important that you keep detailed records of late payments, so bank statements, emails, or texts to include in the N8. Simply saying that my tenant has paid rent late is not enough, and that can likely have your application dismissed. You're also going to want to serve the N8 at least 60 days before the termination date. And so tenants have a right to a hearing. So this is why documentation is going to be crucial. Another important fact is that the N4 notice, which is for non-payment of rent, which we spoke about earlier, and the N8 notice are often filed together for late rent issues and non-payment of rent. So it's not uncommon to have those two applications filed in conjunction to one another. If you need assistance with drafting your N8 or defending your N8, give me a call, 905-926-5898.